How to check liked posts on Instagram. Welcome back everyone to a new guide video of 1-2 step. If you're trying to find out all of the posts that you liked on your Instagram account, then you're watching the right video because I'm exactly going to show you the section where you can find all of the posts that you liked. If this video sounds helpful to you, then make sure you watch it until the end, and let's get right into the video. Open up your Instagram app and tap on the bottom right so that you land on the profile section. Once you're on the profile section, tap on the three lines on the top right and then head over to your activity. So this is a section where you can find all of the interactions that you made or all of the activity that you've done on your Instagram account. From here, you'll need to head over to the third option, which is interactions, and then tap on the likes option. Once you do that, in this section, you'll be able to see all of the videos or photos that you liked. You can tap open them and view individual posts that you liked through your Instagram account. You can also choose to dislike them if you want to remove it from this section. You can also tap on the select on the top right and select multiple posts so that you can remove by tapping on unlike on the bottom. If there are a lot of posts that you liked, you can also sort them out from newest to oldest or oldest to newest, or also sort them out from according to your date. So that's all it takes to check liked posts on your Instagram. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more daily tutorials just like this. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.